Could you be a tic-tac-toe game, please?
Let's make a tic-tac-toe game. You'll see a grid with 9 spaces. Button 1 moves your cursor around to pick where you want to go, and button 2 places your X or O there. Red is for X and blue is for O. Take turns with a friend. When someone gets 3 in a row, you'll see who won.
Could you create a fine art gallery, at least 5 classic masterpieces?
Let's create a magical art gallery on your tiny screen. We'll show 5 famous paintings that artists made long ago. Press button 1 to see the next painting, and button 2 to go back. Each painting has special colors. You'll see the starry night with swirls, a smile, a person screaming, beautiful sunflowers, and colorful squares.
Could you please create a paint application and allow me to choose pixel color and its position?
Let me create a fun paint app for you. You'll have a blank canvas on your 10x10 display. Button 1 lets you pick different colors. It cycles through red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and more. Button 2 moves a cursor around the screen, and when you press it, it paints that spot with your chosen color. You can create colorful pixel art by picking colors and painting wherever you want.
Could you please be a digital stopwatch and show the numbers?
I'm making a cool stopwatch for you. Press button 1 to start and stop counting and button 2 to reset back to 0. The numbers will show on the screen in green when counting and red when stopped. You'll hear a little tick sound every second too. Nice.
Could you please create flag game for me and show different flags, let's say 10 of them on different screens, and let me to guess a flag of Brazil, but don't give me clues.
Let's play a flag game. I'm going to show you 10 different flags from various countries. Use button 1 to see the next flag and button 2 to select when you think it's the flag of Brazil. I won't give you any hints, so pay close attention to the colors and patterns of each flag. When you find the correct one, you'll win.
Could you please create a classic snake game, but let's say with obstacles on field?
Hi, I'm creating a classic snake game with obstacles for you. The snake will crawl across a 10x10 pixel grid. The green dot is the snake's head. The yellow dots are its body. The red dot is the food you need to eat to grow. The white dots are obstacles you must avoid. Button 1 turns the snake left, and button 2 turns it right.
Okay, could you add Autopilot to the snake?
Great, I've added an autopilot to the snake game. Now button 1 toggles the autopilot on and off. The snake will automatically look for food and avoid obstacles. When the autopilot is on, the snake's head turns blue. When it's off, it stays green. Button 2 still turns the snake right when you're playing manually. The autopilot uses a smart algorithm. It analyzes all possible directions, checks which ones are safe, and chooses a path that leads to the food without trapping the snake. Try turning on the autopilot and see how the snake plays by itself.
Could you please create an old-fashioned rally game?
I've created a fun rally racing game for you. You'll drive a red car at the bottom of the screen and need to avoid obstacles like trees and rocks that come toward you. Button 1 moves left and button 2 moves right.
Could you please create an egg and show how chicken appears from it?
Let's create a magical egg from which a chick will hatch. First, you'll see a whole egg. Press button 1 to watch the egg start to crack, and then a cute little yellow chick will appear. Button 2 will reset the egg so you can watch it hatch again and again.
let the chicken be animated.
Let's bring the chick to life. When the egg is fully hatched, the chick will start moving, bouncing up and down, and blinking its eyes. Press button 1 to make the egg crack and reveal the chick.
Could you please write words of wisdom about importance of being curious? Use scrolling text for it.
Let me create a scrolling message about curiosity for you. The words will move across the screen like a magical band, saying curiosity opens doors to wonder. You can press button 1 to start the scrolling text and button 2 to stop it. The letters will be colorful and fun. This reminds us that being curious helps us discover amazing new things.
Could you please draw a dragon that flies to the moon?
Let's create a dragon that bounces toward the moon. The dragon will start at the bottom of the screen and fly upward to the moon. You can press button 1 to start the flight and button 2 to make the dragon breathe fire.
Could you please be a small candle with generative fire effect?
Let's make a magical candle. The candle will have a dancing flame that flickers just like a real one. You can press button 1 to turn the candle on and off, and button 2 to make the flame bigger or smaller. The flame will move and change colors between red, orange, and yellow to look really realistic.